Okay guys, I want to get this video up pretty quick. So I'm going to give you some key support and resistance levels. I'm expecting some downside for Bitcoin today. I'm explaining why this is the case. If you watched yesterday's video, I made it very clear that if the Dow pushes up, we top out around 35,600. I'll put a link up this video now if you want to check it out. As you can see, we did push up. And again, the way I create these charts, these rings are potential reversal points. Not to mention, we have a trend line right here that's right where this ring is. So I'm expecting some downside for the Dow, and remember the markets move together. So if the Dow is coming down, you can pretty much bet that the NASDAQ and the S&P come down as well. But so if we push up, I'm not expecting the Dow to push up more than 0.5% at the most if it pushes up. So 35,560. Top max 35,700, but I think it's more likely we'll get rejected 35,600. Again, as I stated in the last video, so we might have a little bit upside, and then I expect us to start coming down to some lower targets. I do think this is likely your next point to catch support for the Dow. So again, Bitcoin follows the market. So if I'm expecting the Dow to top out, the indices to come down, therefore Bitcoin's going to come down as well. The max Bitcoin can push up now, according to the G1 chart, is right here around 39,700. If we drop, your next major support on this chart to watch is down around 32,193. Yes, that is a target. It does not mean we have to hit that target today. It just means if we cannot get above 39,700, which I find very unlikely, then yes, your next point to catch a bounce or long is around 32,200. So let's go on. So I just want to show you this chart real quick. This is the Dow Jones chart, just zoomed out. And I have this on line drawing, so it's easier to see. But I'm going to put this on candles so you can kind of see how exact it is. So notice we got perfect rejection, came down, support, resistance, look, perfect resistance, support, resistance, support, pushed up as resistance, pushed above it, resistance, support, got a rejection here, support, resistance, got a rejected at this top ring, we came down support at this ring and this line in this fib channel. So as I'm saying, we're pushing up to a resistance level. This is why I expect the Dow to come down. And again, Dow comes down, Bitcoin comes down. So that's what I'm saying. It seems likely the Dow is going to top out at this point, which means Bitcoin is going to come down as well. The DXY, now I did expect the DXY to find support here at 96.40. We did drop below that point. I think DXY caught COVID. I've been telling the DXY to get the jab. I keep saying, no, I don't want to get the jab. There's probably some microchip in the shot, and they're going to try to control me. And I keep telling the DXY, why would the government want to control the US dollar? That's ridiculous. But anyways, I think it's going to make a recovery today. Notice that this is resistance right here, right? Resistance. This could flip as support. If it does continue down, the lowest I think it would go would be 95.48. Remember, the DXY is reactive, so if markets start coming down, the DXY will push up. But I do think it's likely we'll hold support at around 95.48. Remember, if the dollar does break 95.48, and continues down, that could be bullish for Bitcoin. But if the markets come down, typically the dollar start pushing back up. For Bitcoin, so let me give you your current support and resistance levels on the C1 and H1 chart. So your resistance right now is right around 39,700. That's right on par with this chart, 39,700. If we come down, your next support level to watch is 37,857, and we do have a ring coming up. Again, if we drop, we'll hit it sooner. There is about 2.5 hours left in this candle, so we're about 12 hours away. If we drop, maybe 6 hours away. So we could have a little bit of upside. I'm saying if we do push up, the highest Bitcoin will go is 39,700. But I do think it's likely that we're going to have some downside today because I'm expecting markets to top out. This is the H1 chart. Let's give you some price targets here. So your current support is 38,500. Your next resistance to watch is 40,365. And your next support level below is 36,400. And potentially, depending when we contact this at an angle, 35,747. Right now, you can see the markets are slightly up. But again, I do not expect the markets to push up more than, again, not more than 0.5% and at max 1% before continuing down. Guys, that's pretty much it. If you want to access these charts, website's octocrypto.com. The link will be pinned in the first comment and description. That's it, guys. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.